Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can create or edit a work schedule for you and your board members or workspace members on monday.com. So let us dive into this. So here on your account on monday.com, guys, click into your profile icon in the top right, and from there navigate to administration here. Next, guys, what you want to do is expand the general tab in the top left and select the lowermost option, which is work schedule. After that, simply create a new schedule by clicking into this button, or you may edit the current one by clicking into these three dots and by selecting edit schedule. So let us edit that one first. After that, you will be redirected to your work days and hours, and also for vacations if you'd like to add these to your schedule for your account. So as you can see, Monday to Friday 9 to 9 a.m. will be set on default. So if you'd like to change that, guys, simply click into the start hour. Let us start, I don't know, 6 a.m. in the morning, and let us finish our work in that's 12-hour format with PM and AM. So if you live in Europe, guys, you will need to think in 12-hour format. So let us go with 2 p.m. and that's it. And you can do that for each day. You may also enable weekends, for example, Saturday and Sunday, or simply remove the day where you don't want to work just like that, or remove from your account schedule. And that's it. Click into next in the top right and click into finish here. And that's it, guys. You can do that. You can do the same for a completely new work schedule by clicking into this button and repeat the same process. So guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.